Hey there, engineering enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the marvels of modern engineering. Today, I'm diving deep into the fascinating world of centrifugal casting. This process is a game-changer in the manufacturing industry. Ever wondered how we get those flawless metal products from pipes to wheels? It's all thanks to the magic of centrifugal casting. Well, buckle up because I'm about to break it down for you. This process is not only fascinating but also crucial for producing high-quality metal parts. So, what exactly is centrifugal casting? It's a method that has revolutionized the way we create metal products. It's a process where we pour molten metal into a spinning mold. The spinning action is key to achieving the desired shape and quality. Yup, you heard that right, spinning. The mold rotates at high speeds, creating a centrifugal force. The mold rotates at high speeds, and the centrifugal force pushes the molten metal against the mold walls. This force is what ensures the metal takes the shape of the mold perfectly. But why do we do this? Alright, let's talk physics. The centrifugal force is essential for distributing the metal evenly. When the mold spins, the centrifugal force ensures that the molten metal spreads evenly and consistently against the walls. This even distribution is crucial for the integrity of the final product. This is crucial because it minimizes the chances of air bubbles or impurities getting trapped inside the metal, which can weaken the final product. A flawless finish is what we aim for. Now here's a cool fact. The speed of the rotation plays a significant role. The right speed ensures the metal spreads just right. If it's too slow, the metal won't spread properly. This can lead to weak spots and imperfections in the final product. Too fast and the metal can get thrown out of the mold. This not only wastes material but can also be dangerous. Engineers carefully calculate the optimal rotational speed to achieve that perfect balance. This precision is what makes centrifugal casting so effective. But there's more to it than just spinning. The design and material of the mold are equally important. The shape and material of the mold are also critical. Different shapes and materials are used for different types of products. For cylindrical objects like pipes, a horizontal mold works wonders. This orientation helps in achieving uniform thickness. For more complex shapes, vertical molds are the go-to. They allow for more intricate designs and details. The mold material needs to withstand high temperatures and not react with the molten metal. This ensures the mold can be used multiple times without degrading. Centrifugal casting is fantastic for making high-integrity parts. The process ensures that the final product is strong and durable. Think about it. No welds, no seams, just a single piece of solid metal. This is especially important for parts that need to withstand high stress. That's why industries like aerospace, automotive, and even art sculpture rely on this method. Plus, it's efficient. The precision and quality are unmatched. The process reduces waste because we can recycle the excess metal. This makes it not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. The high-speed rotation also means faster cooling, leading to quicker production times. It's a win-win. Faster cooling helps in maintaining the structural integrity of the metal. So, the next time you see a flawless metal pipe or a perfectly round gear, remember the magic of centrifugal casting. It's a testament to the wonders of engineering and physics. It's a brilliant blend of physics and engineering at work. The synergy between these fields is what makes such innovations possible. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this dive into centrifugal casting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more engineering awesomeness. Your support helps us bring more exciting content. Catch you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.